This is my entry for Bill B's Holiday Box Card Challenge, and Bill B is a model train YouTuber who posts a lot of really cool stuff on his channel called the OM&S Railway. If you guys have not checked out his videos, I will leave a link to his channel in the description. And he decided to do a hashtag challenge on YouTube where everybody gets an opportunity to share all of their boxcars and post it on YouTube, and it's a way for everybody to kind of be involved in a hashtag on YouTube and kind of promote our community, and I wanted to do my part as well in doing that. For my entry on this internet challenge, I am going to be running my Santa Fe Hudson. Everybody on the channel or who has watched a couple of my videos before know that I run this engine a lot. It probably has more miles on it than my car does, but we're going to be pulling some milk cars behind it because it is the holiday season and this is Santa's milk train. And also, I only have 4 scale milk cars and we need some way to store the milk, so I've got my Ball Brother box cars on this contest as well. I hope you guys enjoy my particular video for Bill B's Holiday Boxcar Challenge, and make sure you look at all the other videos on the internet as well, because everybody has their own unique boxcar collection. And stay tuned for tomorrow's video, which is going to be my attempt in unlocking post-war nostalgia.